Hi, Nishima.
Hi, how are you?
Very
How
good.
is India TV Forum?
India TV Forum is singing praises of Nishima Jetli.
Why?
Because you have been fulfilling so many fans' wishes.
That's our मतलब वो तो करते ही हैं. We have been doing this and we'll continue to do that in future also.
Yes. And so first of all, I want to thank you on the very, very big thing. मैंने तो अभी तक तो 1 million times at least I saw it. Is Gauri Hiten twins.
बहुत मुश्किल से बहुत कोक्स करना पड़ा, बहुत समझाना पड़ा.
हाँ.
और when he promised, because ये चीज अच्छी हुई कि हितेन ने वो प्रॉमिस निभाया जो उन्होंने किया था. The first video interviews that they'll do with the kids will be for SBS. और वो ट्विन दिखती है, अच्छी तरह से दिखेंगे, मस्ती करते हुए, तो वो साथ बहुत सारे दिखेंगे. So the promise was fulfilled, and Hiteen helped us a lot. Earlier he was a little, थोड़ा सा, he is getting a little conscious, should he reveal his kids and all. I think when they came on board, they were most comfortable, and he was really happy the way it was shown, and it was edited. So good. And also for a good cause, because they went to Lal Bagh and sought blessings and all. So बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही enriching experience था हम सबके लिए भी, क्योंकि हम पूरी टीम मौजूद थी उनके साथ वहाँ पे. For the security of the kids also. We should all be there.
Correct. So good, but it came out very well. I know इतनी भीड़ में they took the kids, and I was telling Hiteen की कल मैंने record message किया था, and then message record किया था, and I told him, I said Nishima तो अब heroine बन गई हम सब के लिए.
What you were telling them?
Yeah, he just laughed, but I know, I can imagine how much you had to coax, but anyway, we are really happy and we enjoying it. And इतना ये है कि निशिमा जब भी अब मूड खराब होता है तो I just switch on that clip and I watch and my mood again becomes fine.
They're so cute. Both of them are very, very cute. I've seen them. वो लड़की बच्ची मतलब कात्या तो ऐसे स्माइल करती है. She is not in this world as if कि वो अपने ही वर्ल्ड में है. She's built up a world of her own. She laughs. वो दांत से हंसने की कोशिश करती है. She gives you attitude. She's actually the little Gauri. She's actually the little Gauri, She's very cute. And the boy is very Hiteen. Both of them actually वो नन्ही गौरी और नन्हा हितेन ही है.
अच्छा.
वो एकदम मस्त मॉन्स्टर है, एकदम उसको किसी की भी गोद में चला जाएगा, एकदम मस्त है. And she is very एकदम बच्ची है, but she's a lot like Gauri. स्माइल करती है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल स्माइलर्स की आपने देखा ही होगा.
हाँ. बहुत
very beautiful kids.
Very good. I know, very nice. And also I want to thank you for showing, Ganesh ji ka jitna bhi hua hai, you have been taking so many stars to Lal Bagh, and so all the Gaurav Khanna fans also want to thank you, Aisha in particular. She is very glad that you could even take him to Lal Bagh.
But he was not one of the lucky ones to touch the feet, but we tried our level best कि उनके दर्शन हो जाए, because गौरव को दर्शन करने थे. More than anything, he wanted to do the दर्शन. तो उनको देखना था, दर्शन करने थे.
अच्छा.
तो लोगों ने करवाया.
अच्छा.
And I think he's very happy.
Oh, good. And then also I want to thank you for you went to the sets of Mile Jab Hum Tum और रति का बर्थडे का किया
कवर.
हाँ बिल्कुल. I have to, because इतने दिन आपसे बात नहीं हो पाई ना, तो I have to thank you for all the good things that you've done. So रति ने आपके फेस पे तो पूरा केक ही ये कर दिया. Did you enjoy it?
हाँ, अरे I didn't want you to put that shot in this thing. बट वो पता नहीं वो शॉट आ गया था. आई थिंक एक और चीज मैं बोलना चाहूंगी, बहुत सारे जो फैंस हैं दे गॉट मिस, क्योंकि उसको थोड़ा सा एब्रप्टली एडिट किया गया था.
अच्छा.
बट इट वाज नॉट एब्रप्टली एडिटेड, इट वाज जस्ट दैट द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द शो वाज गेटिंग एन एक्सेस, और वो पूरा पैकेज था, पूरा इट वाज पूरा हमने एडिट किया था. बट A lot of people were very very miffed कि हम लोगों ने उसको जानबूझ के एडिट किया. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I want to tell all the fans out there, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. Obviously, equally important उनको ऐसा लगा कि शायद सनाया को हमने ज्यादा फुटेज दिया उनके बर्थडे पर और रतिका सिर्फ मोन्टाज चला के छोड़ दिया. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I want to tell you all कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. वो शो का ड्यूरेशन में थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से वो उतना ही दिखा पाया जितना दिखा.
ओके.
बट फिर नेक्स्ट डे उसका कोई मतलब नहीं बनता था क्योंकि बर्थडे उसी दिन था. अगर वो नेक्स्ट डे चलाती तो फिर बर्थडे वो डेटेड हो जाता ना बिकॉज द बर्थडे इज ऑन द पर्टिकुलर डे.
एंड देन आल्सो इट हैपेंड टू हैपन ऑन द गणेश चतुर्थी डे इटसेल्फ, नो, इस बार. तो
एग्जैक्टली, इट वाज अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस.
Yes, we can understand. That's what I mean. I have been telling fans. I said there were so many other things and Ratika bhi sirf cover to kiya hi tha. So, but no, we enjoyed when you got pura cake on your face.
हाँ, she put पूरा केक डाल दिया उसने फेस पे. I had to struggle with that pimples also afterwards.
अच्छा.
My skin is very sensitive.
Okay.
She put all पूरा, वो तो आपको मैंने वो शायद आपने बहुत थोड़ा सा देखा होगा. उसने पूरा केक मल दिया था मेरे मुंह पे. एंड उसको निकालने के लिए ही मुझको कुछ 15-20 मिनट लगे होंगे.
Okay. So continuing the talking
on. It is okay. I think it is just a part of family.
Yes.
She's also a part of our family.
Of course.
Like she was a family member. We were celebrating her birthday. तो वो मस्ती में आ गई. It was fun. It was fun.
Right. तो अब मिले जब हम तुम्हें तो बहुत मस्ती चल रही है. बाथटब सीन्स आप कवर कर रहे हो.
हाँ, बाथटब सीन्स हो रहे हैं. किचन रोमांस हो रहा है. क्या क्या नहीं हो रहा है मिले जब में. I think they have got a 6 months extension also.
Okay.
So a lot of happiness to the मिले जब हम तुम fans also. So they got an extension of 6 months.
Okay. That's a good.
This is the news. So also DMG के बारे में कुछ rumors सुनने को मिल रहे हैं. A lot of rumors. I don't know, it may be true or false, but people say कि in October, November mid it can go.
Achha, because I mean there has been a lot of advertisement or something coming in naya show RI Prime Time on Star One.
Yeah, probably what I have been hearing, this is just rumor. Let me tell you, मतलब पहले ही clarify कर दूं कि ये rumor सुनने को मिल रहा है कि जो नया शो आया है जिसका प्रोमो चल रहा है ये इश्क हाय. That will come in place of Dil Mil Gaye.
Okay, so
that is the news doing round.
Okay.
That is the rumors doing round. That is what I've been hearing कि DMG will be given a happy ending.
Okay.
And ये इश्क हाय will take its place.
निशिमा DMG.
That's what I've been hearing.
But निशिमा DMG का क्या हैप्पी एंडिंग हो सकता है? अर्श या AR या SR क्या होगा?
I think happy ending वही होगा कि शिल्पा and Karan, Shilpa and Arman will unite, and these two people will unite because that will be a logical and a happy ending also.
Okay.
Not strictly speaking as a personal listing because मेरे को लगता है ये नहीं होएगा because you can't mess up with the Indian. At the end of the day, जिस तरह से ट्रैक जा रहा है सबको ये पता है कि रिधिमा तो वापस किसी के पास वाली है. She has to go back to सिद्धांत only because she's been feeling guilty और वो सब वो इंडियन शोज में मेरे को लगता है ऐसे ही होता है. She can't go back to Arman all of a sudden. I think you also understand that.
I agree. And
she's married now. Obviously, the happy ending would be Shilpa and Arman and Siddhant and Ridhima.
Okay, that makes sense actually because in between तो काफी ये हो गया था कि अरमान रिधिमा को वापस ला रहे हैं and adultery has been shown and I was told political party का intervention भी हुआ है दिल मिल गए पे and I have been hearing lot of things. And I don't know, Nishima, I think I've told Dil Mil Gaye हमेशा is in the news for all the different things other than the actual show itself.
Actually. But this is one show that has really surprised me in my whole television career. Really, maximum buzz. Even more than Remix. I think Remix is also coming back. I've been hearing.
Okay.
Remix is also coming back. That
Remix is being made or is going to be a sequel to what was there before?
It will be a sequel and I think Vahi is doing it.
Okay.
That's what,
that's good news. That's very good news. And बिदाई का भी सुनने में आया कि it's winding up now.
बिदाई is winding up. Then अगले जन्म is winding up.
Okay.
And दो और shows सुनने में आए थे. They're winding up.
अच्छा. और राम मिलाए जोड़ी वहाँ पे जा रहे हो आप सेट्स पे?
हाँ, राम मिलाए जोड़ी. In fact, you will see Ram Milai Jodi tomorrow only on the show.
Okay. So that's also seems to be a nice, interesting, fun-filled, light-hearted comedy show. So
yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Or the girl looks very promising.
Yeah, the girl looks promising, and even Nishant is, I think, playing the role very well. Like he's supposed to act a confused kid, na? So like him too, and he's also a very nice person, and I think you will enjoy interviewing him, Nishima. बहुत ही अच्छा है. He's a lovely guy. So and इकबाल खान जी का क्या हो रहा है?
इकबाल बहुत दिन से हम लोग इनसे मिलने का है. लेकिन we'll do an interview soon.
Okay.
I think getting a fan following back.
Yes, and even Harshad is getting. I mean, I'm really liking him in Tere Liye.
You liking him?
I like his acting. Somehow he's coming out quite intense.
I also had a fan following since Let's Fight Let's Now.
Yes. So yeah, this was mainly I wanted to, because बहुत दिन आपसे बात नहीं हुई. I had to thank you for so many things, Nishima. और आप तो completely. How are you?
सारी चीजें आ रही है. Television is full of surprises.
So many surprises.
बहुत आ रहा है. Lot of controversial celebrities.
हाँ, and आप तो क्या आजकल तो आप only film stars को interview कर रहे हैं. I was told you went to see do something with Ranbir Kapoor.
रणदीप. करेक्ट. रणदीप कपूर. करेक्ट.
चलो अब रणदीप कपूर, सलमान खान, SBS is going places, Nishima.
हाँ, actually, it's बहुत कम दिन रह गए हैं. We guys are celebrating our 6 years in days time now.
Yeah, when is the actual date, Nishima?
It's 11th of October.
11th of October. So आप celebrations कब से शुरू कर रहे हो?
जैसे हफ्ता will start on 11th only, 11th से 16th तक.
Okay. So as I told you, हम लोग तो we are already started making the post on India TV Forum, and we would love you to come and have a look at it and show it to all your viewers, even worldwide.
Sure. You guys will be sending us?
Yes, we will. SBS is a part of us now, isn't it?
Yeah, true.
So, and Nishima, आप तो अगर हमारे इंडिया टीवी फोरम पे हम सेलिब्रिटी रैंकिंग करें तो निशिमा जेटली will win hands down.
What are you saying?
I am saying.
I think so.
No, आप आए थे चैट बॉक्स पे, आपने देखा ना खुद, मैं क्या झूठ बोल रही थी?
नहीं, मैंने देखा. I was enjoying that day. मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
तो
बहुत मजा आया.
हाँ, so you see, हम सारे इतने लोग हैं जो आपको चाहते हैं. And because you are our voice, ना निशिमा, आप हमारी voice हो, इसीलिए.
बिल्कुल. Lot of new things coming up. और अभी झलक दिखलाजा is also coming.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to tell you all. झलक दिखलाजा is coming. Then Big Boss is coming. झलक दिखलाजा में you Sushant and Ankita are there.
Okay. And नच बलिए also, ना?
पवित्र रिश्ता लीड. No, नच बलिए का अभी तक कुछ सुनने में नहीं आ रहा है, but I think झलक तो आ ही रहा है.
अच्छा.
And lot of a big television war is going to be there. And Master Chef आ रहा है, KBC आ रहा है, then you have Big Boss.
Yes.
So lots happening on TV. Lots happening.
So good. So you keep us posted, and we will continue to be in touch. And good luck to you, and continue to do what you are doing, which you are very good already.
Thank you.
और क्या गाना सुनना चाहेंगे?
गाना अनजाना अंजानी. I not the title track, but I think this one तुझे भुला दिया करके.
हाँ.
It's a beautiful song.
Yes,
beautiful song.
It is.
I really want you to play that song. It's an amazing song.
It is. We just heard that.
Very, very few songs that really touch my heart. This is one song. Seriously, one hell of a song. Seriously, it's amazing.
Good. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to ask now, Nishima, and we will be in touch, and you take care and have a great day. And you please hold the line.
Thank you.
You please hold the line.
Yeah.
नैना लगियां बारिशां ते सुके सुके सपने भी पिज गए नैना लगियां बारिशां रोवे पलकां दे कोने विच नींद मेरी नैना लगियां बारिशां हंझू डिगदे न चोट लगे दिल ते नैना लगियां बारिशां रुत बिरहा दे बदलां दी छा गई
काली काली खाली रातों से होने लगी है दोस्ती खोया खोया इन राहों में अब मेरा कुछ भी नहीं हर पल हर लम्हा मैं कैसे सहता हूँ हर पल हर लम्हा मैं खुद से ये कैसा रहता हूँ तुझे भुला दिया वो तुझे भुला दिया वो तुझे भुला दिया वो फिर क्यों तेरी यादों ने मुझे रुला दिया वो मुझे रुला दिया काली खाली रातों से होने लगी है दोस्ती खोया खोया इन राहों में अब मेरा कुछ भी नहीं हर पल हर लम्हा मैं कैसे सहता हूँ हर पल हर लम्हा मैं खुद से ये कैसा रहता हूँ तुझे भुला दिया वो तुझे भुला दिया वो तुझे भुला दिया वो फिर क्यों तेरी यादों ने मुझे रुला दिया वो मुझे रुला दिया जुड़ा था ऐसे फिर रास्ता मुड़ा था तुझसे मैं खोने लगा जुदा जैसे होने लगा मुझसे कुछ मेरा मुझे